everyone! Today, I'm diving into the world of one of the most underrated superfoods out there, eggplant. Yes, you heard that right. This purple powerhouse is packed with benefits that can transform your health. Let's get into why you should make eggplant a staple in your diet. First up, let's talk about antioxidants. Eggplant contains niacin, a super potent antioxidant that protects your brain cells. That's right, it's like a personal bodyguard for your brain, helping it stay sharp and reduce inflammation. Imagine boosting your memory just by enjoying more eggplant. Next, we have cancer-fighting properties. Eggplant is rich in compounds called salicylic rhamnosyl glycosides, or SRGs for short. These have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and might even help prevent their recurrence. That's pretty incredible for a humble vegetable, don't you think? But that's not all. Eggplant is a heart's best friend. Its antioxidants, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds work together to lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. Eating more eggplant can help reduce your risk of cardiovascular diseases. Your heart will thank you. And let's not forget about digestion. Eggplant has high water content, fiber, and nutrients that promote healthy digestion. It helps flush out waste and toxins from your digestive tract, keeping things moving smoothly. Plus, it supports regular bowel movements, so no more digestive woes. Worried about calories? Don't be. With only 35 calories per cup, eggplant is perfect for weight management. It's filling and nutritious, but won't contribute to weight gain unless you pair it with high-calorie ingredients. So feel free to indulge. Eggplant is also versatile and nutrient-dense. It's a great source of potassium, vitamins B1 and B6, and fiber. You can add it to a variety of dishes, from hearty stews to light salads, bringing both flavor and nutrition to your meals. And did you know? Eggplant has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, especially in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cultures. It's been used to treat conditions like diabetes and asthma, showcasing its powerful health benefits. So there you have it. Eggplant's unique mix of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and fiber-rich properties make it an amazing superfood. Whether you're looking to boost your brain, support your heart, improve digestion, or manage your weight, eggplant has got you covered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the love for this fantastic superfood. See you next time.